Hi, this is my quick video on an item which ULANZI makes mainly for the DJI Osmo Action, but I found it's a great useful adapter to use with the Insta360 Now, as you know, the Insta360 doesn't have, which I've placed on the Hero Max. Even the Hero Max doesn't have this. This is an adapter that I bought, and I've done a video, and I'll leave a link up here to that video of this adapter that I placed on there, but so it can go straight to a 1/4" screw thread. Now with the Insta, you don't have that ability to do that at all. It still uses the GoPro mounting system. Now, ULANZI have made this for the Osmo Action, and what it is, it's an adapter. It's a 1/4" thread and tripod mount, and this is the quick release base with locking screw. Now, one is the U-12 and the other is the U-19. Now, this hopefully will convert this 1/4" thread so it can literally use that, so you can use both cameras, whether you've got an action camera with a 1/4" screw thread on the bottom, or has a GoPro style bottom like this, like the Insta does. Now the U-12 has a 1/4" thread here, and this is really a locking base for the U-19. Now the U-19 does come with a 1/4" thread here, female, and you also get a GoPro thumb screw as well. Now I'll show you by using the top of this Joby Tight Grip Pro. You can simply screw this on if you want. So if you don't necessarily have to buy this, you can simply screw that on, connect your Insta camera. Now that's how it will look. Now the unique thing which I like about with this is, because if you've got an action camera with the 3/4" with the 1/4" thread at the bottom, and you want to switch between the two cameras, and you don't want to bring two separate selfie sticks, what you could do is you can, and I'll make sure I put that back, always replace the cover back on top of the Insta. Simply screw off the entire thing like so. Then you can simply screw on the next camera like so. Now this particular unit here, the U-19, you can pick these up from eBay. Now I picked this up from eBay for less than £3, which is quite good. So as I said, it gives you that kind of smooth interchangeable action between two different styles of mount. As I said, the GoPro style mount and simply the 1/4" screw mount. Now as for the U-12, simply remove the other camera, screw this on. Now I know it's a bit wider than the actual base of the Joby Tight Grip Pro, but don't worry about that. This just provides its own base. And now you can simply, if you can see there's a locking system here, and there's a locking system. So there's a locking system on the U-12, and there's a female locking system here on the U-19, and then you simply place one on top of the other, line it up, turn, and you hear the click, and now that's locked into place. So as I said, this is just a quick by using these two particular items from ULANZI. These two items from ULANZI makes it quite quick and easy to go from, as I says, from a GoPro style mounting system here to a 1/4 inch thread mounting system. If you don't want to convert your present GoPro Max or GoPro Hero 8 to a 1/4 inch thread system. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail to save you the trouble of when you buy the product, you know what to expect. So that's why my videos are long. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.